The action cam market is definitely to the advantage of buyers with some incredible cameras that could shoot up to 8K or even record up to 240 frames per second, giving you those awesome slow motion captures. Now, we have selected 6 of the hottest action cams that you can actually buy today. Hey guys, I'm Jim with Techie Tech News, and these are the best action cameras of 2025. Now guys, links to all these products will be provided in the description box below, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more product review videos. At Techie Tech News, we evaluate products for you, so you don't have to. We've praised the Insta360 Go 3 for its miniature design, foolproof interface, and useful magnetic mounting. Its successor improves on that proposition with a sharper 4K resolution, which makes the free-frame mode more versatile. And based on our observations, you can stick the Go 3S in places other cameras can't go. Then choose your preferred video orientation after the fact. If you want an easy way to capture unique angles or to create point-of-view footage, the Go 3S will serve you well. Its tiny size does come at the expense of battery life and overall video quality, especially in low light conditions. Now, inserting the Go 3S into an action pod attachment does extend longevity, as well as enhancing shooting experience with its responsive flip-up touchscreen. But it is worth noting that the action pod doesn't benefit from the same waterproof credentials. All the same, if versatility matters more to you than overall resolution, we think there's no other action camera quite like the Insta360 Go 3S. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit TechieTechDeals.com. If you only want to record standard action camera footage at the best possible quality, then perhaps the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a better choice. But if you like the sound of being able to reframe videos after they've been shot in 360 degrees, and you're looking for great quality audio, then the Max is well worth considering. GoPro's most expensive action camera uses 2 fisheye lenses to shoot spherical 5.6K video, which you can later crop into standard 2D video using overcapture software. We found that the 6 microphone setup records excellent audio, even if not up quite to the level of GoPro's shotgun mic claims. Many testers observed that it doesn't offer the best 2D video quality due to the need to convert it from a fisheye image and the Max 1440 60p resolution. It can't match standard rivals like the GoPro Hero 11 Black in low lighting situations either, but it still remains the best waterproof 360 degree action camera around. So for that specific type of capture, the GoPro Max is king. Breathing down the neck of GoPro's Hero 13 Black, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a feature-packed action camera that gives our top pick a good run for its money. Waterproof at 20 meters, it can survive at double the case-free depth of GoPro's best. And with the wider window of operating temperatures, it's the best choice for shooting in all conditions. We also praised its interface in testing. The Action 5 Pro is small and light, with touchscreens front and rear that are sharp and clear, while its maximum 4K resolution is bettered by others on this list. We were impressed by the dynamic range and detail displayed in test footage. We also praised the Action 5 Pro's long battery life and reliable video stabilization, as well as the ability to pair it seamlessly with the DJI Mic 2 for crisp wireless audio recording on location. Image quality does drop off in low lighting, but DJI Super Night mode still produces better results than most action cameras. If you want something reliable, versatile, and more affordable than the GoPro Hero 13 Black, this is definitely your winner. The Insta360 Ace Pro is the first action camera to offer 8K video. Now that resolution will be overkill for many, as will its 48 megapixel stills, and the high price tag they demand. But if you want rugged 8K recordings, the Ace Pro is the way to go. Physically, we found the Ace Pro nicely built. It's heftier than its competitors, hitting the scales at 179.8 grams, which makes it feel substantial in the hand. We also rate its flip-up display, which hinges at the top to deliver a selfie experience that's more responsive than the GoPro and DJI rivals. Mounting options are plentiful too, with a magnetic base plate for quick switching. As you would expect from a sensor co-engineered with Leica, image quality is superb. Many testers found results across all resolutions to be excellent, with good clarity, punchy colors, and solid noise handling in low lighting, which was aided by AI processing. Active HDR does pretty well at balancing high contrast lighting, while flow state and horizon lock stabilization are proven performers. Now, professional filmmakers may wish for log capture and higher 8K frame rates, but still, this is a mighty impressive action camera. A cheaper, lighter version than the Ocaso Brave 8, the Lite is an affordable action camera for buyers on a budget. We noted the cost savings can be felt in its flimsy plastic construction. Yet we've also commented positively on its modern design, compact dimensions, and lightweight build. Other takeaways from our testing include the smartphone app, which we found easier to use than the camera's own interface. In ideal lighting, 4K video footage also proven vivid and accurate, if a little high in contrast. That's not the case with lower lighting, where we found the sensor does actually struggle quite a bit, with a large amount of noise negatively affecting image quality. Stabilization was disappointing too, with the Brave 8 Lite failing to smooth out camera shaking while walking or cycling. At 150 minutes of 1080p footage, battery life wasn't remarkable either. While its video quality won't worry the premium flagships on this list, we still think the Brave 8 Lite offers fantastic value, with a solid set of specs that are tough to beat for that price. Like the more recent GoPro flagships, the Hero 13 Black isn't a radical upgrade from its predecessor. It has the same sensor, video resolution, useful 8:7 aspect ratio, the same class-leading hypersmooth stabilization, and the same waterproofing specs as the Hero 12 Black and the Hero 11 Black before it. So if you already own either of these perfectly capable action cameras, it isn't necessarily worth upgrading. But based on more in-depth testing, there are a few upgrades that make the Hero 13 Black the top of our list. Chief among them are the new range of lens mods and ND filters. These attach to the redesigned mount on the 13 Black that can now detect its accessories once they're attached and actually adjusts accordingly, instantly unlocking creative shooting options. We also praise the addition of magnetic mounting, as well as the improved battery life and heat dissipation. Burst slow-mo mode also gives the option to shoot at 400 frames per second at 720p, although clips are slow to process. While these improvements aren't revolutionary, they all add up to make the Hero 13 Black the most complete GoPro action camera to date. Folks, we hope you've enjoyed this video and have learned the details that you need to make an informed decision. It's a well-reviewed list of action cameras, with one being right for you. Still, if you're unsure as which model that you should choose, just comment down below and I will personally assist you. Everybody has their own unique challenges, and I would love to problem solve them with you. And please let us know which action camera you would choose. Links to all these items are posted in the video description box below, and when you are done, check out the next video.